Welcome to my channel Crochet Skills. In today's video we will crochet a beautiful 3D flower. So we will start with a slip knot, chain 6 and a slip stitch into the first stitch. Make sure that chain stitches are upside. Chain 1 and work 12 single crochets into this ring. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe Crochet Skills. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Please like and share my videos. If you have any query, please ask me in comment section. I will try to address all the issues regarding following my videos. Okay, 12 crochets are completed. Now I will make a slip stitch on the top of first single crochet. So this round is completed. Begin the next round by chaining 4 and a treble crochet into the same stitch. That means we are working on a treble crochet cluster. Chain 5 for a chain 5 space. Yarn over twice. Skip a stitch into the next one. Go into the stitch, pull up a loop. Pull it through 2, pull it through 2. Leave 2 loops on the hook, yarn over twice again, go into the same stitch, pull up a loop, pull it through 2, pull it through 2. You have 3 loops on the hook, pull it through all the loops together. So this is a treble crochet cluster. So we will have total of 6 cluster in this round. My round is completed. As you can see, I have 6 treble crochet clusters. Now we will start to work on petals by chaining 3. Go into the right side of the cluster. As you can see, there are 2 legs of the cluster. We go on into the right side horizontally. Work 8 unfinished double crochets. That means yarn over, go under this cluster, pull up a loop, pull it through 2. Only pull it through 2. So we will work incomplete and unfinished double crochets. 8 double crochets. So that means we have 9 loops on the hook. Now we will start working. Let me complete 8 double crochets. Okay, now we will pull it through 2 loops. Pull it through 2. Pull it through 2. So we will work in the sets of 2. Grab the yarn on the hook and pull it through 2 loops. Pull it through 2 loops. Pull it through 2 loops. You have 2 loops on the hook, pull it through 2. So I have only 1 loop on the hook. Now I will work chain 3 picot on the top. Right side of the petal is completed. Now make a chain 3. And on the same cluster, the left leg, I will work again unfinished 8 double crochet together. I hope you are understanding, because the way I am working on this petal, we will work the same in all these 6 petals. So I will work 8 unfinished double crochets on this cluster, treble crochet cluster. So we will work on the sets of 2. Grab the yarn on the hook, pull it through 2. Pull it through 2. Just grab the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. Grab the yarn on the hook, pull it through 2 loops. 2 loops are left, only 1 loop is left on the hook. So this is how a petal will look. Now I will start working on the next, but chain 3. Go into the top of this cluster. Make a slip stitch here. Into this chain 5 space, we will work 7 single crochets. In every chain 5 space, we will work 7 single crochets so that it will give a frame, outer frame on the back side. So it will look very clean, neat and nice. So we will start working on the next petal, just going to the right leg of the cluster and work 8 unfinished double crochets together. 8 double crochets together. One loop of every double crochet leave on the hook. So I will complete 8 unfinished double crochet. As you can see, I have all these loops on the hook. Now grab the yarn on the hook and pull it through 2 loops. So we will work in the sets of 2 loops. Now work chain 3 picot. For a chain 3 picot, just make chain 3 and make a slip stitch into the first stitch. So this is a chain 3 picot. Chain 3, go to the left side of the cluster, work 9 double crochets together, 8 double crochets together. All my 8 double crochets are about to complete. Now I will just pull it through 2 loops. So I will do the same with all the other petals as well. Now make chain 3. This is the second petal. Chain 3, make a slip stitch on the top of this cluster. So this is how we will create all these petals. This is the back frame. I hope you will understand it, the front and the back side of the flower. You can attach a bead here also. So it's very easy. I hope you will understand all the instructions. Please subscribe Crochet Skills and don't forget to click the bell. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.